Hi, my name's Yvonne and I'm an independent UK stamp pickup demonstrator, and welcome to my channel. Today I am with the video hop for Stamp Around UK, and I want to do a box card. Now I've had some design issues with this, so this is the second time that I've recorded this video, so I won't be showing you the full make of it, but I'll show you the general principle and then we can take it from there. So first you have a piece of card which is 9.5 inches by 5 inches, or it is 24 centimeters by 12.5 centimeters. Then we need to score along here at 2 3/4, and then turn it around and score at 2 1/4, 4 1/2, 6 3/4 and 9. Once you've done that, then you cut down these here. So this these will be slightly smaller than the bottom part. Now there's possibly one that you don't bend, but I'll fix that later. So the idea is that you've got this box and you can lay it flat. Oops. You can lay it flat and it's a pop-up box like so. And then what you can do is you put some pieces of card in the middle to so you can position little bits of acetate and put things on there. For the centimetre one, so that was the inches. So the centimetre one, you would score at 7. And then score at 5.5 centimeters, 11 centimeters, 16.5 centimeters, and 22 centimeters. So this little tab here is what you'll cut off, and then you'll just do an angle cut. So that, all that is scrap, and then you just cut down those lines. Right. Now there is a little bit of card that you need for the middle part. So the idea is you have a piece of card or 2 pieces that you position in the middle, and then you can, it looks like things are floating. So I'll go through with this on the measurements. Right, 3 1/4. So it's 3 1/4 inches, which will be roughly I'll make sure I give you the right measurements for it. Right. So the idea is this little piece of card, which measures about 1 inch by 3 1/4 inches and scored at 1/2 inch. This will sit on the inside of your box. Oops, just in there, and hopefully I've got the right measurements this time. And then you can then start decorating. So these flaps here, the DSP that I've used is 2" by 2", so it gives you a nice border. I'm going to measure, so this will be 5.5, so it'll be 5.5 plus 2 centimeters on top, so 7.5. So I'll just do this one. 7.5. I'll just do it at 2. So I've got 7.5 by 2, and I'm just going to score at 1 centimetre. So this is your little one in metric, and then that should sit, oops, it should sit inside there, and you'll stick it in probably about towards the back piece, and then that will sit just inside there, and then it'll fold as it's supposed to. Just like that. And then it'll pop up. I'll show you on my card that I've done. So our theme today is all about the new colours that we've got for Stampin' Up. So my card, or my box card, I've used Lemon Lime Twist, and the paper I have used Bright and Beautiful. And then I've punched out, balloons. And I don't know if you can see inside those little pieces of card. I positioned them in there, and that's what's holding the little balloons, but they're sort of like floating. I've used the sending die with Pretty Peacock, and then the Lemon Lime Twist on top. So that is from Sending Smiles. That's just the dies that I've used. And then the congratulations, I've used a piece of the DSP paper from this paper pack as well. This one here. And then I've just used the dies, because this is from the Charming Sentiments. So that's the stamps and the dies I've used from that one. So, as I said, the DSP is 2 inches square or 5 centimetres square on each one. And when I put this together, I thought it was going to fit in a normal size envelope, and it's not, because I've got too much that's hanging over. So this is a normal envelope, and as you can see, I've got bits hanging over, so it's not going to fit in a normal size envelope. I could not have that balloon there, but what I'll do is I'll just make my own envelope for it and post it. That's fine. Now, what I did notice when I was doing this is this back piece here should really be flat. It shouldn't really be not bent over, but it should be flat. So the idea is I'll put a piece of white card at the back, and then I can write on it. So that is the folding box card. I filmed this previously, and it took 42 minutes because I was having a terrible time trying to put everything together. So I've scrapped that video, and I just wanted you to see the colours, which are really nice. We've got some other colours in the DSP, which is Azure Afternoon, which is a new one. Berry Burst, which has come back. We've got a new one called Bubble Bath, so that's the pinky colour that you can see there. Then we've got the Lemon Lime Twist. You've got Lemon Lolly, which is a new colour. Lost Lagoon, which is a returning colour. And the Pretty Peacock as well, which is a returning colour. The Congratulations I just stamped with my new favourite neutral stamp, which is Pebble Path. So yeah, I really like the card design. It's just been a little bit fiddly putting it together, but as I say, once you get the basics done, then you can decorate it however you want. It's just me when I was trying to put the balloons in, but all I've used is some strips of acetate, and then just stuck my balloons on there. See, if you look at the back of the card, it's all a bit messy, so if you that's why that should really be straight. So what I will do is put some card just at the back, just to keep that straight, and then that's somewhere where you can write. So there we go. That is my card for today's hop. I'm sorry it's not a full tutorial as such, but as I say, I've been having nightmares with it, to be fair. But that's just me, unfortunately, how I was trying to get it done. If you have a click at the links below, you'll see all the other videos that all the rest of the team have done for this particular video hop. So please go and have a look at them. And I will speak to you next time. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.